we're going on my go-kart. So let's start them up. We're going down to my creek. Okay, let's go. Whoa! 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 See if we can spot any fish. Let's go. From the flood we got so much sand. There was no sand. We put a tire in there so it would go deeper, and then all the sand came. Okay, let's cross. See if we can find anything on the other side. Okay, just gonna jump in. Okay. Oh, soaked me. So many mozzies. Any fish? No. Whoa, look at all the sand. This was never here until the flood. Oh, slipped. You guys see any fish? Weird. Nothing. I seen a big jungle patch, at least that big. Pretty big in here. Tried to get my sister. Swum off. Go up to the front, might find something there, hopefully. Got a creek, might find some fish. Drop my crock. Okay, nearly out of here. Just under. So much sand. Oh. Okay, let's go to the front. Might find some little fish. We might find some big fish. Okay, go-kart. Okay, getting heavy, man. Okay. Go. Okay. Chicken's running. What a burnout! Stop here. Might find something. Can you guys see any fish? You see that little one there? Maybe you can't. There's heaps of little ones now. I'll put you in. Can you see any fish? Normally mud cod in here. Pretty big. I've got these cool colours. Let's check on this side. Okay. Nothing's in there. Nothing. Very messy from the flood. No fish. Let's check out the front more. The flood washed our driveway away so bad. Let's have a look up here. We've seen a little black eel in here once. You guys see the fish? Just little, but there's still fish. You guys see it? You might not. They're too small. Hopefully a croc doesn't jump out at me. But I hope that there's not any in here. Can you guys see anything? Okay, going back up. Let's just go for a little go-kart ride. I'll show you all the fruit we've got. So, let's go see. There might be a fish now. You guys might be able to see. All the little ones. Mudcod lives under there. Yeah. Try and hook him. Just bites it, swims off. So smart. But sometimes they're not. Because they just eat your hook. And that is done. Okay. Going back up. Let's go again. I'll pick up some fruit on the way, maybe. Okay, let's go. Oh, that scared me. These fruit here are Santos, and they're sour. They're very yum. But up there on this tree, I fell out of it like 5 meters high at least, and face planted right there. See if we can see any star fruit. Here's what the tree looks like. It might not be the season though, but Let's have a look. I've forgotten what these fruit are called, but they get pretty big, like that. Yeah, and nothing is out. Okay. There's our big rooster, if you can see him. Come here, Jim. Come here. See? It's pretty big. Avocado tree. Longan tree. Oh. If you guys don't know what a longan is, it's like a lychee. So let's just have a lap around the house, and hopefully we can find something. Might be a cassowary. Oh, let's turn them on. Okay, let's go. Vroom, vroom. There's some more chickens. Some more chickens. More chickens. Here's our veggie patch. Our greenhouse. Here's our dragon fruit. And our lemon. And our other lemon or lime. And it's finally growing fruit. It hasn't grown fruit for so long. And now it's finally growing stuff. Just this year. And this is growing. Here's our macadamia. That's all. Might show you one more lap. And then it's done. Oh yeah, my dad's just setting up a fire over there. You can just see it. I'll drive over there. How are we gonna fire up? Oh. But just show you a bit more around, and I'll see you later on the next video. Let's go fast. Whoa! 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 Yeah, man! We got so fast. Let's do a drift. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, look what I just did. Holy moly. Okay, and that's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye.